If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, off-road suspension, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 67,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90894A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.